The landscape of AI software engineering has officially evolved past simple chat boxes. We have entered the era of deep code-based context and agentic multi-file execution. If you are looking to maximize your development workflow right now, the ideal setup depends entirely on your specific environment and how much autonomy you want to hand over to the AI. The market is currently split into two distinct categories: the comprehensive development environments that act as your workspace, and the powerhouse underlying frontier models that drive the actual reasoning. When it comes to the actual workspace, developers are moving toward AI-native environments over traditional plugins. Cursor currently holds the gold standard for integrated development editors. Built as a direct fork of VS Code, its standout feature is Composer, an agentic mode that can take a single natural language prompt and execute complex multi-file refactors simultaneously across your entire project. If you prefer to stay entirely within the command line, Anthropic's Claude Code has emerged as a terminal-first juggernaut. It operates as an autonomous agent right in your CLI, capable of reading massive repositories, running tests, executing commands, and even managing Git branches without requiring manual context pinning. For developers who want low-friction, high-speed inline completion without changing their existing editor, GitHub Copilot remains the king of seamless integration, especially for large enterprise teams. Meanwhile, tools like Windsurf offer a compelling alternative with their fast context engines designed to keep you in a continuous flow state. Behind these interfaces are the frontier models, the actual brains doing the heavy lifting. If you are using an open source extension and bringing your own
API keys. The performance hierarchy on real-world engineering benchmarks is incredibly competitive. OpenAI's GPT 5.5 leads the pack in pure precision, boasting unmatched multi-level reasoning and data analysis capabilities. Right on its heels is Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.7, which serves as the ultimate model for complex architectural planning and long-running agent orchestration. For daily development, where speed and cost matter, Claude Sonnet 4.6 remains the incredibly fast, highly accurate workhorse of the industry. However, the biggest disruptor in the current landscape is DeepSeek v4. It delivers roughly 90% of the capabilities of the top-tier American models at a mere fraction of the API cost, making it the definitive choice for budget-conscious developers and open-source setups. Choosing the right tool comes down to your personal philosophy on coding. If you want a complete AI-first IDE that handles complex multi-file logic for you, downloading Cursor is your best bet. If you are a terminal power user who wants an autonomous assistant to handle the grunt work of running tests and staging commits, Claude Code is the perfect fit. If you already love your established setup in JetBrains or NeoVim and just want world-class autocomplete, stick with GitHub Copilot. And finally, if you want frontier-level intelligence on a strict budget, pairing an open-source extension with DeepSeek v4 will give you the most bang for your buck. The tools are ready. It's just a matter of deciding how much of the wheel you want to hand over.